Thank you very much for your attention and hearing. I think ultimately I just want to conclude saying, what are we talking? It's a changing world. Managing change, leadership brand is one of the aspects by which you can make it effective. You can bring the institution building. You can retain talent. You can get best out of your talent. And ultimately, in the digital era, the competitive advantage lies with kind of people you have, not just what kind of infrastructure or factories have. They are only enablers. And the other bit, where leadership is also looking is also the adopting to the technology and try to use the best out of the world, and also managing the Gen Y. I don't want to give too much focus on Gen Y because it's a different generation. But I think you can take advantage of it. As a leader is one who not only inspire the people, who cope up with change, but also learn from the mentees. I think in last 15 years out of my 42 years of experience, I learned more from my mentees and from people who work with me rather than from with whom I work with or my mentors or my peers. So I think, that is the ability to learn. Learning agility is important if you want to create a leadership brand, and learning comes from different sources. It need not be sources from what you expect, like your teachers or your peers or your bosses, but it could come from the reverse mentoring, which is beneficial. So I think you need to have the open, there should not be mindset issues, and you should be transparent and communicate, and that is what the mantra is in terms of leadership brand. Especially understand there will change, some you can anticipate, some you cannot anticipate. I think the hallmark of a good leader or an organization or a process is, even when you're not anticipated, something happens, you are able to withstand that and move forward. It can apply any sphere of the world. When we say leadership, it does not confine to corporate world, it could be in the political world, it could be any other world. So I think it's important. So to conclude, there are 4 kinds of people. People who watch things happening, people who do not know what's happening, for people to whom things happen. But distinguished minority are those who makes things happen. And I wish you are one of them. Thank you very much. And let me thank GP and Samir, and please join hands with me.